Smart helmets are changing the ride. Built-in comms, crash sensing, LEDs, and audio that keeps you connected without killing the thrill. In today's countdown, we rank the top 5 you can actually buy now. From premium tech lids to a budget lifesaver. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have ILM Bluetooth Modular Motorcycle Helmet, Model 902BT, the best budget smart motorcycle helmet. Holding the number 5 spot, the ILM 902BT proves you don't need a premium price to get built-in smarts. This DOT-approved modular flip-up shell packs Bluetooth 3.0 with one-touch control, so you can take calls, stream music, hear GPS prompts, or tune FM radio without digging out your phone. Built-in speakers and a noise-reducing mic help voices cut through wind roar. Pair with other ILM lids and you get rider-to-rider intercom, 3-pair 2-chat, out to roughly 500 meters. A dual visor setup adapts to changing light, and the removable, washable liners plus venting help keep things fresher on hot commutes. The flip-up chin bar speeds fuel and snack stops. What I love most is the sheer value, integrated comms, flip-up convenience, and everyday comfort in one ready-to-ride package. What I don't like? The fit runs intentionally snug for noise reduction, and the intercom works best when everyone's on ILM gear. But both are easy workarounds. Size up if you're between sizes, and you still keep full Bluetooth phone/audio features with any brand. Bottom line, budget riders get real connectivity without giving up core protection. Ready to step up to more advanced integrated tech? Stick around for the next helmet. At number 4, we have Sena Outrush R Bluetooth Modular Motorcycle Helmet, the best mid-range smart motorcycle helmet. Holding the number 4 spot, the Sena Outrush R hits a sweet mid-range balance. Proven Sena Bluetooth tech in a flip-up modular shell you can wear all day. Integrated speakers and mic are factory installed, so pairing to your phone for music, GPS prompts or calls take seconds. And smart intercom pairing, scan a QR in the Sena app, makes linking riding buddies painless. 4-way Bluetooth intercom, 2-way HD when it's just you and a partner, reaches up to about 900 meters in open terrain, plenty for staggered group rides. A retractable drop-down sun visor, clear shield, and glove-friendly 3-button control keep the ride flowing. Multi-density EPS, polycarbonate ABS shell, and DOT rating deliver core protection, while 3-way venting and a breathable liner help manage heat on summer commutes. Quick-release ratchet strap equals fast fuel stops. What I love most is the no-install convenience. Communication gear already dialed in at a price that undercuts premium smart lids. What I don't like? Bluetooth range and wind at speed audio can't match high-end mesh systems, but that trade keeps cost low, and earplugs or in-helmet speaker upgrades help on longer tours. Solid tech value. Next, want longer range comms and upgraded audio? Don't miss number 3. Still searching for the perfect smart motorcycle helmets? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have LS2 Advant X Modular Helmet with integrated Cardo 4X Bluetooth, the best group communication smart motorcycle helmet. Holding the number 3 spot, the LS2 Advant X with integrated Cardo 4X lets group riders stay linked. Its 180-degree flip-over chin bar swings cleanly to the back for real open-air touring, without that flip-up sail, then locks as a full face that meets DOT and the latest ECE 22.06 PJ dual homologation, HPFC shell lighter carbon option, multi-density EPS and AREM rotational energy management work to spread impact. The built-in Cardo 4X Bluetooth 5.2 unit connects up to 4 riders with live intercom to about 0.75 miles, 1.2 kilometers. Natural voice, Hey Cardo, dual phone GPS channels, FM radio, and auto volume keep your hands on the bars. Optically clear, a class shield, drop-down sun visor, and included pinlock fight fog and glare. Adjustable intake exhaust vents plus a moisture wicking, removable liner manage heat, 3D laser cut pads, and micrometric quick-release strap speed brakes and swap outs. What I love most is convertible freedom. Chin back in town, full protection at speed, comms stay seamless the whole way. What I don't like? Flip hardware and comm gear add some weight, and a few riders note visor seepage in downpours, but those trade-offs buy serious versatility. Ready for richer sound, mesh range, and safety lighting? Stay tuned for number 2. At number 2, we have Sena Impulse Modular Smart Helmet, the best premium modular smart motorcycle helmet. Holding the number 2 spot, the Sena Impulse is the modular smart lid for riders who want premium comms without bolt-on boxes. Mesh plus Bluetooth intercom are built in, letting you hop into big open mesh groups or lock down private chats in seconds. And with some pairing patience, it'll talk to other brands. Sound by Harman Kardon speakers, a redesigned mic, and an acoustic damped interior turn music and nav into high-clarity audio. A bright rear LED taillight helps drivers see you. Flip-up chin bar plus retractable sun visor make fuel stops and light changes effortless, while the Pinlock Ready Shield, insert included, fights fog. The composite fiberglass shell carries DOT and ECE ratings, 4-port ventilation, and a plush, removable liner manage heat. Intermediate oval fit and a micrometric quick-release strap speed on-off. Built-in voice access to Siri or Google keeps your hands on the bars. What I love most is the out-of-box completeness. Premium audio, mesh range, anti-fog kit, and safety lighting ready to ride with zero accessory install. What I don't like? You must charge through Sena's magnetic cable and colors are basic. But that sealed port improves weather resistance, and the smooth shell packs easily in panniers. Ready for a full-face flagship that pushes integrated tech even further. Number 1 is coming up. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Sena Stryker Full-Face Smart Helmet, the best overall smart motorcycle helmet. Claiming the number 1 spot, the Sena Stryker brings flagship integrated tech to a true full-face shell. No clamp-on boxes, no wires flapping. Mesh plus Bluetooth intercom are built in, so you can jump into large open mesh groups, set private channels, and still pair over classic Bluetooth with other headsets. Sound by Harman Kardon speakers and tuned interior acoustics elevate music, nav prompts, and rider chat. An integrated LED taillight boosts rear visibility. Flick down the internal sun visor when glare hits. The locking clear shield seals well against rain, and its anti-fog treatment plus breath deflector help keep vision clear. A lightweight composite fiberglass, 7 vent shell carries DOT and regional ECE ratings. Plush removable liner and micro ratchet strap keep long days comfortable. Magnetic pogo charging, multi-language voice commands, Hey Siri, Hey Google access, and up to approximately 18 hours talk/audio per charge streamlined daily use. What I love most is the all-in, premium connectivity plus visibility lighting that's ride-ready out of the box. Charge, pair, go. What I don't like? You can't swap in another comm unit, and a few riders note minor cosmetic quirks. But the integrated system is the point, and performance holds strong. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best smart motorcycle helmets. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which smart motorcycle helmet you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.